Hi spinners, in this video I am going to show how to send transactional and other emails from your own email ID using the spynPRO account. For this, you will need email service that supports SMTP and bulk emailing, personal email accounts, your SMTP server credentials, server address, port, and the encryption type, login credentials. For example, if it's a Gmail business account, your server address would be smtp.gmail.com. Your port would be 587 using TLS encryption, and your username would be your email, password, your email password. Once you have this info, just go to settings, email, enable this option, and enter your details here.
Hit the Send Test Email button to check if your settings are correct and then save. You will now be able to send transactional and other emails using your own email ID.